everybody, welcome back to our channel Art for Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to make a body.
So here are a couple of things that we will need. We have a mixed media paper and we have these are liquid chalk markers. We are going to use probably the red, yellow and orange colors. We have some crayons and then we have these foam sheets. So this is stickable ones and she has already cut it out into some shapes. So these ones, they came just like that, and some of them she just cut it off into random shapes. And also for the background I'm going to be using watercolors. So I think that's all we need. So let's get started. So in the first step, she has placed her hands right in the middle of the paper. If you see, it's just not the palm, there is some hand too. So she is going to outline it to make it look like the tree, and the fingers are like the branches. So you're just going to draw with a pen. Will you be able to do it? Yes. Yeah, let's try. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, spread your fingers like branches. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's just a branch. So yeah, that is good. Yeah. So now next step is to use the brown crayon and color inside the palm of your hand. So that's the tree. So you can start. So after we are done with the crayons, next step we are going to do the background with the watercolors. So just blue sky and green for the grass. So I know this already comes with a brush, but I usually prefer using a bigger brush because it's quicker and easier, and these qualities are much better. So Vihana, do you want to start with the sky?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, here's your brush. So you have to dip it in the water, take some blue color. Yeah, and I'll move the paint out of your way. So thus she's painted the sky. The next step, she's going to use green to just do the grass. So you can use this brush. You need to get some more color to make it, yeah. So after we are done coloring the sky and the grass, we just need to wait 2 seconds
For it to dry.
for it to dry. So now the painting is dry. So next step, we are going to use the liquid chalk markers and we are going to make dots all around it, like in the shape of
A tree.
yes. Yeah, you can start from here. You can make random, Vihana. Doesn't have to be like. Okay, you're doing an outline first, then it's easy. Okay, you can do that if you want.
Mama, that boy is in my class.
So you have a new kid in the class? Okay. You know his name? No? His name is Suday.
So there.
Yeah. Okay. So now you can make random trees, random dots all around, so it will look like leaves. We are going to leave some space because we want to stick some of the sponge stickers also here and there, right? Yeah. So this is how it looks currently. So next step is we are going to use these shape sponges, shape foams, and then we are going to stick it here and there. So it looks more full. Right, Vienna? Yeah, so she wanted to do some green also. So I'm having some green as well. So, and there are some random shapes. So just fill out the spaces where it is blank. You can just stick some here. So then it will look more fuller here. Do you need help taking it out? You got it, right? Yes. So we are also going to put some stickers on the floor because it's fall and some leaves might be on the floor, right? Yeah. So we have filled up so much of this with the stickers, right? And it looks bright. Yeah. So did you finish all the foam stickers? It's done? Almost? Yeah? Okay.
Almost.
How do you like your painting?
Good.
Good? You like it nice?
Actually a lot.
You like a lot? Yeah. So